What makes 1/8 so special? Mr. Nishal Puri, Managing Director of Artemis Fashion Private Limited, leading Apple company in India, spoke with our correspondent Manush Chaudhuri all about 1/8 comfort for the restless. 1/8 is a brand owned by one of our biggest youth icon, Virat Kohli. 1/8, which includes two ranges of innerwear, age and game, and they have already become premium innerwear varieties and stocks in India and abroad.
Hello everybody, I am Nishal Puri, I am the Managing Director for Artemis Fashions Private Limited, the most aggressive and most ambitious apparel organization in this country, which has got two successful brands, 1/8 Innerwear and Actimax. I welcome you all to be part of this glorious journey which we all are going to enjoy over the next decades to come. Welcome.
Okay. Sir, very good morning. I'm telling you, sir, that your company is you said something about your motivational speech just now. Now, I would like to know about your coming vision. What is your coming vision about the company?
So Artemis Fashions Private Limited has got two successful brands. One is called 1/8, which is Virat Kohli brand, and we have the license for innerwear, 1/8 Innerwear, and the second is the athleisure brand called Actimax. Our vision is to create both of these brands as the #1 brands in this category in the next 4 to 5 years time. We basically foresee that we will be a force to reckon with as far as the innerwear is concerned, with Virat supporting the brand, and with Actimax we basically foresee to be one of the strongest brand in the athleisure category.
Virat has already responded to your company. Right now, he is your ambassador right now.
So 1/8 is a brand which is owned by Virat and his team, and we have the license for the innerwear and for sleepwear.
Okay, fine. Now, what I would like to know that the thing is that you have come across the whole national market. What's about your export market?
So we have a successful export market. We have an exclusive deal with Lulu's, which happen to be one of the largest and the biggest chain of retail stores in the entire GCC countries, that is Middle East and other nations. And we have an exclusive tie-up with Lulu's to sell 1/8 Innerwear.
Very good. Now, you have already launched your products all over India as well as abroad. Now, what is if you have any other things that in your mind that you would like to launch, any other new product that you want to launch?
So we have launched 1/8 Innerwear and it's been extremely successful. I think we have been able to establish a very strong alternate to the current market leader. We have really appealed very successfully to the youth of the nation. The tagline of 1/8 Innerwear is, comfort for the restless. We foresee in the next 2 quarters to launch the sleepwear category in the 1/8 Innerwear. So we basically think that with these two categories with us, we will be in a position to be a dominant player in the next 4 to 5 years in the market.
Fine. Now, sir, I would like to ask you the last question about you have already explained everything in your motivational speech right now. Now, what I would like to know that we all know that COVID situation has already come up with us. Now, to come back with COVID situation, what is your plan? What is your future plan for the company, irrespective of COVID situation right now?
So honestly speaking, we have looked COVID as a season of holiday for 60 days. Because after the after the lockdown got over, we were able to come back very heavily in the e-com category, and I personally do not see any negative in any situation. I basically always foresee what is the positive that we can drive. So I think 60 days of non-performance during the COVID pushed us towards the e-commerce. We in fact got the best brand award in Flipkart BBD. Okay, so that typically happened because I was able to steer the entire organization towards e-commerce. I do not really see COVID to be a very great negative force or a threat.
Yeah.
See, ultimately it is the brands and the organizations who needs to be nubile, who needs to be able to address to a particular issue. This year it was COVID, and some other years it would have been a flood, some other years it would have been, you know, maybe a border tension or something like that. So in the life cycle of an enterprise or a business or an organization, these types of challenges will always come. It is the ability of the organization, how they respond to them, how they react to them, and what they do in terms of a strategy to win over. I don't really feel that COVID has been a very great dampener. In fact, we all are presuming and are very sure that the recovery of India is definitely a clear J. You can already see today the Sensex is at the highest figure. So I don't really feel that COVID has a lot of negative situations to us.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.